Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of subject maths. Children, today here we are starting the 8th lesson, that is multiplication. So let's learn what is multiplication. Look at here. Madhavi is very excited as she is going with her classmates for a picnic. Madhavi is the girl who is going for picnic with her classmates. She has promised 5 of her friends that she would bring something for them to eat. So what she did, she promised to her friends that she will bring something for them to eat. Now she plans to take for each of her friend the following things. What she had planned? She had planned to take 1 apple, 2 sandwiches, 3 cutlets, 4 puris and 5 sweets for each of them. Okay. She plans to take for each of her friends the following things: 1 apple, 2 sandwiches, 3 cutlets, 4 puris, and 5 sweets. Now, mother is busy packing the picnic basket. She has laid out all the eatables on the table for the 5 friends. How many friends are there of Madhavi's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends are there. So what she is doing? First she planned no to give 1 apple, 2 puris, 3 cutlets, four puris and 5 sweets. So she is putting all the things on the table. One apple for each friend, two sandwiches for each friend, three cutlets for each friend, four puris for each friend, and five sweets for each friend. Now we have to find how many apples she has to keep, and how many sandwiches she has to keep, and how many cutlets, how many puris, and how many sweets she has to keep. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples she has to keep now. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 friends, 2 sandwiches. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 cutlets. And number of puris: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, sweets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So she has to keep 5 apples, 10 sandwiches, 15 cutlets, 20 puris, and 25 sweets. Now multiplication. What is multiplication? Instead of counting the same number, we multiply. How many times we have 1 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1. What we will do? 5 times 1. So 5 ones are 5. Let's read this to get the better understanding. When the eatables were laid out for 5 children, the total number for each object was obtained by adding the same number again and again. See here, we are counting the same number again and again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No? 2, 2, 2. We have same number. So we have to add the same number again and again. This is called repeated addition. This is called repeated addition. We are adding the same number, no? That is repeated addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. And also 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus is 3 is 5, and 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4 is 20. So we had groups of the same numbers of objects. We have the groups of same number of objects. In other words, we had groups of 2 sandwiches or 4 puris for the 5 children. So what we have to do now? When each group has the same number, we use a shorter method instead of the repeated addition. Instead of this repeated addition, we are using the short method, that is multiplication. That method is called multiplication, and the symbol of multiplication is this, into, or this is the symbol of cross mark. Now this is the multiplication. Instead of adding 2 5 times, see here we have 2 5 times. Now 1 2 3 4 5. Instead of adding 2 5 times, we write 5 multiplied by 2. Instead of adding 2 5 times, we write 5 times 2, or 5 multiplied by 2. And instead of adding 4 5 times, we write 5 multiplied by 4. So 5 2s are 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. Okay, and these two are called products, when we multiply the numbers. After multiplying, we will get some answer, no? That answer is the product. Okay, now let's do some activity here. Here we have how many stars? 1 2 3, sorry, we have 2 stars, but how many times? 1 2 3 4, 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 2. And here we have how many leaves? 1 2 3 4. 4 leaves we have how many times? But 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times we have 4 leaves. Okay, next, how many roses we have in each group? 1 2 3. In each group we have 3 roses, but how many times we have? 1 2 3. So 3 times 3 roses. Next, how many pencils we have? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 pencils, but how many times we have? Only 2 times. 2 times 5 pencils. 2 multiplied by 2, 5. Okay, now see here, we have here number 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times. And 7, how many times we have? 1 2 3 4. 4 times 7. 4 sevens are 28. Children, in multiplication, you have to learn the tables of multiplication also. I'll explain. Next, 1 2 3 4. 4 times we have 2 here. So 4 2s are 8. Next, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 4. 5 4s are 20. Next, 1 2. Only 2 times 3 we have. 2 3s are 6. And 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times we have 9 here. 6 9s are 54. So this is the multiplication. And be perfect in this concept, students. Thank you.